stopped when they took you away. A bright young soul cut short that day. You debated, you spoke fearless and true, bold and passionate in everything you do. Everything you stood for was rooted in faith, a life of courage, love, and grace. Charlie, 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 your name we shout. Your voice didn't fade, it echoes out. Charlie, 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 your fight, your stand. Your faith has lit fires across the land. Your death didn't just affect America's shore, it shook the world, your legacy soars. You've raised up an army of hearts everywhere, young people inspired because you dared to care. From city streets to distant lands unknown, the seeds you planted have truly grown. Charlie, 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 your name we shout. Your voice didn't fade, it echoes out. Charlie, 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 your fight, your stand. Your faith has lit fires across the land. Even in loss, your spirit remains. Through you, through courage, breaking chains. Bold and passionate, standing for the truth. Your faith in God still inspires our youth. Final Charlie, Charlie, your neighbor we sing. Your voice didn't fade, it echoes out. Charlie, 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 your fight, your stand. Your faith has lit fires across the land. Your death didn't just affect America's shore, it shook the world, your legacy soars. Charlie, 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 your neighbor we sing. Your legacy lives, your impact still springs.